Let us now look at the workflow when we want to review multiple investigations done on a patient. The first step is obviously to identify the patient, and I don't remember the name. I can sort everything by name, trying to recall things, or I may even use the search capability. I'm going to click on search, and let's say the first name was Sanjeev, and search. And that shows me all the entries with that matching first name. We have one patient name highlighted, and we can see all the visits listed underneath. Each visit in this particular case is highlighted by the referral, complaint, and so forth. So this is at the level of visit, and I can say I want to look at this visit. I can double click. This visit is loaded, and it's going to show me the waveforms from the first test performed during that visit. I can exit the test. Here is the visit, and here is the catalog or the studies during that visit. And now I can review another one and so forth. So this is one mechanism of reviewing a previous visit. A slightly different but very much similar way. So I can click on patients, identify the patient, and rather than selecting a visit from here, I'm going to double click on the patient name. That puts the visit list at the top, and I particularly like this view when there are multiple visits. So I can click on a visit and it shows me the associated catalog. So this way I can quickly review whatever investigations that were done on the patient and quickly jump to the trace that is of interest to me. So this is the repetitive nerve stim that I wanted to see. Either approach works fine. I just express my personal preference by looking at the visit list at the top. We can also look at the report. This is the visit that is open. I can click on the word icon, and here is the report from that visit. Switch back to Synergy, and if I'm finished with the review, click on the Patients button again. And that will close this review session.